Matters of the National Assembly because lawmakers in Banjul opened initial arguments on the Constitution of the Republic of the Gambia Bill 2020 on Wednesday, laying the foundation for the adoption of a new supreme law for the Gambia. The draft constitution is widely accepted as containing the wishes and aspirations of Gambians based on the broad consultations conducted by its drafters, the Constitutional Review Commission. Aissatou Tamba has more details of that in this report.
National Assembly members are speaking turn by turn, with each expressing their impression and disagreement with provisions of the draft constitution. The general debate allows for lawmakers to discuss the main substance of the Constitution of the Republic of the Gambia Bill 2020. On Wednesday, Honorable C.D.A. Jatta, a representative of Woolly West, said the way the matter of citizenship is handled in the country has been problematic.
People have been living here for 40 years, 50 years, all their lives. Their children are born here and they are not Gambians. This is terrible. They have been paying all sorts of taxes here for decades, and yet the children they have here are not Gambians. And they were born here. Where should they belong? They belong where they were not born? That's not correct. A child can acquire the nationality of wherever he or she is born. That's what is international standard.
As progressive as the draft constitution is said to be, its provisions do not allow for children born in the Gambia to non-Gambian parents to become citizens. Honorable Jatta, a member of the opposition PDOIS party, said children born in the Gambian territory, whether in an airplane or a ship, should be granted citizenship.
Even if a child is born in an aeroplane over the Gambia, airspace, automatically that child is a Gambian. Should be a Gambian.
Despite these shortcomings, Honorable Jatta said the new constitution is a representative of the wishes of Gambians.
The fundamental difference between this constitution and the 1997 constitution is that even though people were consulted, in the final analysis there was no parliament to refer it to. So a lot of things were distorted. But here we have before our eyes a draft constitution. Anybody who has had an interface with the commission, if you look at the draft, you would see yourself there. In other words, in a sense, we are engaged in promulgating a people's constitution because people have participated in drafting what they think would be a fundamental guide for this republic, either individually or collectively. Those who have been consulted are present in this document when you look at it.
The new constitution will go through several stages with likely amendments before it is adopted or rejected by the National Assembly through a vote. Where adopted, the draft constitution will go through further adoption by way of yes or no votes in a referendum. Reporting for iAfrican News, I am Aissatou Tamba.
National Assembly members begin debate on the new draft constitution of the Gambia.